final witness will be back on the stand today in Christopher Schurr's murder trial. He's the former Grand Rapids police officer facing charges for shooting and killing Patrick Lyoya 3 years ago. Teresa Weekly is at the courthouse now with what to expect as the defense gets ready to rest. Good morning, Teresa.
Good morning, George. After we hear from this final witness, we expect the jury to leave the room so the lawyers and the judge can agree on jury instructions. Now, after closing arguments, jurors will get the case, and they will have Christopher Schurr's own words to consider. It's not common for a defendant to take the stand when facing charges as serious as second-degree murder, but that's exactly what Schurr did on Friday last week. Anyone facing a trial has a constitutional right not to take the stand, and most don't because cross-examination can be risky. So this is a strategic move. By testifying, Schurr and his legal team are showing confidence in his version of the events. They're betting, A, that jurors wanted to hear from him, and that doing so will help build credibility and humanize him, especially with the conjecture we've heard from other witnesses that he feared for his life. He stated plainly on Friday that he believes he would not be here if he acted differently. Now, the last person the defense put on the stand supported Schurr's statements and contradicted the prosecutor's expert witness on police tactics. Louis von Kleim is an expert in police practices and use of force.
It was not only reasonable for an officer to believe that he was facing, in his situation, was facing a threat of death or serious bodily injury, but after listening to that testimony, these officers are specifically trained to believe that. These officers are actually trained to believe that they were facing a threat of death or serious bodily injury when someone has taken their taser from them.
And the prosecutor will have a chance once court resumes this morning to question von Kleim on those statements. Ken Kolker will be in the courtroom once again for the final moments of this trial. George.